In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 2.4G wireless mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. 2.4G is a wireless technology that often works much better than something like Bluetooth. This is because it basically eliminates all latency that a technology like Bluetooth has. It will be primarily used and connected to your PC through a USB dongle. So first, make sure that you grab the dongle. It is located somewhere on the mouse or in the box. For gaming mice, it usually has a little compartment that you open and you take out the receiver. Another thing to note is that if your mouse has multiple different connection modes, you have to switch it into 2.4G. So in this example, this Attack Shark gaming mouse has two modes, either Bluetooth or 2.4G. So it's important that you choose the appropriate mode. So you switch the slider to the left. Once it is set to 2.4G, or if it is only 2.4G by default, all that you need to do is plug the USB dongle into your PC, your laptop, whatever device you are using the mouse in. As soon as you plug the receiver in, power on the mouse, and there's no secret to this, it should connect to the receiver ready to use. If it doesn't work, then try a different USB port, and of course make sure that the mouse is fully charged. Because it is a wireless connectivity option, it needs to be charged. They will often include a USB cable that you can plug into the mouse to start charging it. So just plug it into any standard or valid power source, and once it is sufficiently charged, it should remain connected by itself wirelessly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.